Are you ready describing next question?
Absolutely, yes. Well, I look to picture, but picture seems to me people acting different kind of works. In the first snap, a family is spending quality time together, possible playing a board game, and they seem happy and engaged with suggest to a strong bond. And the second shot shows me a man working on his laptop from the comfort of his home. He appears focused. To illustrate, he may be working remotely.
Okay. Joziba endi bundoq. Kamchiliklaring haqida gapirayotmayman, yutuqlaring haqida ham gapirayotmayman. Bitta narsani joy-joyiga qo'ysak yaxshi bo'ladi. Sen yalqovlikni unutgin. Bu boshqa hech narsa kerak emas. Yo'q, shunchalar men to'xtatib oldim. Rasm tasvirlashda men kutyapman nimani? Relative pronoundan foydalanishlaringni va participledan foydalanishlaringni. Bittagina savol bermoqchiman. Shuni aytsang bo'ldi. Yozayotgan erkak meni o'qituvchim. Birinchi relative pronounda aytib bergan, keyin uni participleda aytib bergan. Yozayotgan erkak meni o'qituvchim.
The man writing
Qayerga yozadi?
the desk
On the blackboard. Senda endi deskda yozish mumkin-da, aha. Keyin
on the blackboard. He is my teacher.
Juda ham noto'g'ri, juda ham noto'g'ri. Men sizlarga shuni o'rgatganman. The man is writing on the blackboard. Nuqta. He's my teacher. Endi buni relative pronounga aylantirib olamiz. The man who is writing on the blackboard something is my teacher. Endi uni participlega aylantirib olamiz. The man writing on the blackboard something is my teacher. B2, C1, C2. Qani bu? Ishla. Qattiqroq ishla. Xo'p. Mayli, boraver.